morning all. I am Muhammad Gais.
I am Amanur Rahman.
I am Yadunanda.
Today we are here to present our project on this current event. This is a project called Automatic Pill Dispenser, and this aims to solve a problem that has existed in our society for many years. And the problem is that old patients or patients with their memory losses or problems with their memory forgetting to take their medication. This risk has many consequences, and this is one of the major challenges patients who take medication face. Today, in our current medical industry, there is no technology to currently solve this problem. So, we aim to make a change in our society. Technology is used to make changes all over the world currently, and we hope this might become one of them.
Components used to build this project are Arduino Uno is the brain of this project. Jumper wires are used to connect components. 10K potentiometer is used to control the brightness of the LCD, which is another major component. To display time and the name of the medicine. And dotted board is another component of this project. A RTC module is used as a clock, so the device stays in bright time even when the device is switched off. LED and 3 servo motors which pushes down medicine, and push button and the buzzer is used in alarm.
In conclusion, this project aims to solve a problem that has been held in our society for a lot of years, and we hope to create a change in our society. Thank you all.
Thank you all. Let's see the working of this project.